Yeah, of course I want to record it.
All right. Well, I might leave the meeting because now it's being recorded. I'm just kidding. But that's going to be the first thing that shows up on the recording. So that's kind of cool. Basically, let me go ahead and walk you through some of the new updates that they have with the Vector Impact, or rather with the interactive demo. And feel free. Some of these are pretty sweet. You might want to even take some notes on it. I will say they're pretty cool. Let me go ahead and pull up. So in Vector Connect, you all know, obviously, when you go to over here, you pull up your interactive demo, Slight Flex, $865,000 in sales. So, and so when you open up your interactive demo, by the way, just so that everyone knows, you can do it however you want, as long as Mrs. Jones has this demo up. If you're nervous about Zoom, you can literally just do it over FaceTime. You can call Mrs. Jones, just have it all over speaker. However you actually do the demo audibly, it's up to you. Zoom is just like what we like to use because we use it all the time. But if you just want to call Mrs. Jones, it's cool too. And right in here, now, this is the first big one, first major key alert here, is you can do a practice demo. You can literally hit practice demo. So before your next demo, if you're super nervous about it, and by the way, if you want to do it with someone else, booyah, we invite other participants. Oops. And we just copy that URL link. And if you guys want to right now watch along with my demo, you can join it right now. And so if I launch this practice demo, boom, no participants yet. But if someone wants to come watch, look at 2, 3, 4, 20, whatever it is. And then you can start your practice demo with them. And if you want to practice with someone, you can literally go through the whole demonstration. Pretty sweet. And then you actually get some real feedback too if you want to do it with someone else. If you have a partner on the team, you have someone on the team you really enjoy, or you'd like to go through a practice demo, by the way, with your captain, I highly recommend that. If you're like, hey, I'm a little bit nervous, I actually would like to do a demo walkthrough with my manager. By the way, we'd gladly do that with you. Obviously, like we want to make sure that you're really successful. So that is tip number one, is you can literally just go ahead and do a practice demo. But I'm going to go ahead and end that. Our practice customers were all on. Thank you for playing along. So you can do a practice demo rather than trying to, so I know some people, maybe if you tried, you could like create a fake demo, but it's just a waste of time. So go and do your practice demo. That is key number one. Now, key number two, by the way, up here, you get this little like, profile dude, whatever. When you click on him, you can go to profile. I don't know why, maybe they'll change it. This should really just be there. I'm a UI person, so like that bugs me. But and so what's kind of cool about this is your bio, by the way. So if you ever need to edit your bio, oh yeah, it's right there. You got phone number and email, and these are, by the way, pulled in from Vector Connect. Okay, so all that stuff is all kind of pulled in. If you need to change your picture, you can. What we found is like, because you can see literally the type of cut that it uses is this landscape. So literally it just takes my face and squeezes it a little bit. That's why your faces all look kind of weird when you do your demos, but they look normal here. So either way, I'm sure they'll fix it on a future update, but you can go ahead and change your bio at all. Right now, hi, my name is Dustin. I go to UW-Madison. My goal is to work with the Cutco to improve my sales skills while also being able to work with the best customers, right? I want to give some props to Mrs. Jones for seeing my demo today. I live on the east side of Madison with my girlfriend, Kelsey, and our dog, Finley. And if the door opens, by the way, it's because Finley's trying to come see me. So there's no ghost in my apartment. Down here, excuse me, is where you can put in your default meeting room. So this is when if you don't have this in, by the way, if you don't have it set up yet, this is where you go in so that when Mrs. Jones opens up the demo, she gets to that page that stops her and says, hey, jump on my Zoom right now before we keep going. It's just an easy way for you to do it. If you put no, that's fine. You just won't have one in there. Now, the new things, there's nothing new there. The new things that you can customize, we're just going to proceed. The About Me section. All right, so real quick plug, if I can give a quick plug for Claire. So Claire this morning had an amazing Champs Club. And for those of you who aren't on Champs Club, which by the way, I know who was on Champs Club this morning and no one in this meeting was on Champs Club. I'll just say that. And so go to Champs Club in the morning. We're here to help you out. Just to give you a little bit of a little snippet, right, by the way, here.
People don't buy what you're selling. People buy why you're selling it.
If you're trying to get some knowledge, let's hear it. You got to give it up for Claire. Claire did awesome. If you want to, by the way, check out this talk, I'll just go ahead and throw it in the chat here if you want to pull it up as well too. Come to Champs Club. Come to Champs Club. Claire this morning is really excited to teach our reps. We were excited to see her go through her power intro, which is basically going to lead into this, right? A power intro includes goals, includes being really talking about the sets and whatnot. And so when you want to change this up, these are more advanced skills. So hopefully I wasn't talking too fast, and I like to talk fast. So you got to take notes really fast. And so With this, if you want to edit the order that these go in, you can. It's kind of cool. If you want to turn one off, like, hey, I'm not a student. All right, well then no scholarship award for you. All right. And if you want to add more, you can put something in there, like something about you. Like I would put a picture of my family camping and I'd be like, hey, this is my family camping. I'm so excited because you bought Cutco from me. I get to go on more camping trips. So like something like that. And if you want to edit your talking notes here, because I know a lot of us, like in training, what we have our reps do is like write it down in their notes. And it's like, who's going to reference their notes and go back and forth and remember all this stuff. You can just go ahead and edit it. You can throw it in there. Let me tell you a little bit more about me. I love knives, whatever, you know, like, and you can save it in there. And then now you got that every single time. What would I put in there? I'd put in there exactly word for word what you want to say. So that way you say the same thing every single demo. And that way every single demo is your best demo. Okay. No need to leave it up to chance or wing it or whatever. Just go ahead and put it in there. So you can edit all these. Pretty sweet. So we'll just go ahead and cancel that. Last thing I'll show you is customizing your own goals. So if you want to make a own goal, right? So let's say we're coming up right now on SC2. So we're going to the playoffs. Your SC2 goal that we come up with, you can go ahead and go in and customize and create a goal. And let's just say my sales goal for SC2 was 7,500, something like that. Now, when you show your goals, it'll actually update with your CPO from Vector Connect as well too. And you can actually like hit your goal and share that with Mrs. Chung. So those are the things I wanted to share with everyone. I think that's all of them, Jason. I don't know if I'm missing any.
Wow. So have you guys done that yet? Have you done that? Well, when are you going to do it? So what I want you to do is right now, look at your calendar and I want you to look at, don't do this during the phone jam. I know what a couple of you are going to try and do. You're going to try to do this during the phone jam and you're going to go, oh, well, I didn't phone because I was working on my goal sheet. No. You do it later. This is after the fact. So instead of watching 2 hours of YouTube, you only watch like an hour and 45 minutes, take 15 minutes, you actually do this, right? Instead of scrolling for 2 hours on Instagram or TikTok, you just do an hour and 45, and then you just do this for like 15 minutes. So this is super important. Make sure you do this in your demo, or not your demo, but you do it tonight for sure before your next demo. The other thing I want to share with you, and I'm not going to screen record this whole thing because of, what do we got? Because these are a bunch of videos, but I want to share it with you. And then I am going to play some videos for you guys. So everyone go to myvectordemo.com, right? This is your, oh, thanks, buddy. This is your phoning spreadsheet, right? Your phoning script, that's all on there. However, also on here, I don't know if you guys realize there's demo troubleshooting. If you need any help with this, right? Here are some of the videos. The video playlist is going to be playlist one, linking your Zoom to your demo. Have you done that? Fixing issues for starting your demo. That's the second video. Is this funny? All right, when your demo is in sync with your customers, how do you handle that? Helping your customers with my Cutco Rep app, right? And then bonus at the end of here. Here's what's so cool. Even if you haven't gotten field trained yet, you all are going to be able to field train yourself before your next demo. There is the final video in this playlist is Riley Efros, the branch manager, recorded selling a Homemaker Plus 8 on the interactive demo. Also on here, troubleshooting. Here's exactly how to do it when it comes to my Cutco Rep app. You can see right here, what's happening, if it's completely white, if there's other issues here. Interactive demo troubleshooting is already here. Try clean your cookies, your cache, all that stuff. Guests cannot access the Zoom link in the demo. Cool. Here's exactly how to do it. It's all right there. So you're going to want to take time to actually go and do that. And for this here, I'm going to play some videos for you guys. So let me stop the